What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to add and subtract square roots or add and subtracting radicals. So the first thing is simplifying 4 root 3y minus 7 root 3y plus 2 root 3y. We collect the like terms. These are all like terms, so the coefficient is 4 minus 7 plus 2 root 3y. 4 minus 7 negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, so it's going to be negative root 3y. Next example, root 3xy plus 5 root 3xy minus 4 root 3yx. The answer is, these are all like terms. 3xy, 3xy and 3yx are the same thing, so we collect the like terms. We have 1 plus 5 minus 4 root 3xy. So 1 plus 5, 6 minus 4 is going to be 2 root 3xy. Next example, we have root 5xy plus 4 root 5xy minus 7 root 5yx or xy. Both of them are the same thing. The answer, all like terms, so we have positive 1, positive 4 minus 7 root 5xy. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 minus 7 is negative 2 5xy. Next example, we have 3 root 7mn plus root 7mn minus 4 root 7mn. If we want to simplify it, the answer is, since we have all like terms, 3 plus 1, that's why you don't see it, 1 minus 4 square root of 7mn. 3 plus 1, 4, minus 4 is 0, so 0 times square root of 7mn is gonna be 0. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.